In today's video, I'll show you on how you can simply make black screen in Geometry Dash like this one right here. So to do this, it's going to be extremely simple. What you want to do is to go ahead and place a gradient color. So navigate through this category, look for the gradient color option. So in my case, it's going to be this one. Place your gradient color on the level editor, click edit object, select your preset. In my case, I'm going to select number 2, edit the color, and then you want to transform the base color to completely black, opacity to 0, and for the detail, once again, navigate through your preset, and for this one, black, and the opacity is going to be 100. From there, we are going to add the fade in effect by adding this specific function right here. Click edit object. So the color IV in our case is going to be number 2 according to the gradient color that we have put. In here, you then want to adjust the fade in animation. You want to turn the opacity to 100, and once again, you want to turn this to black. And so basically, it will then show something like this. But with this setup, it will not completely black out the screen. Now to completely black out your screen, you can just click on the gradient color, click edit special, and then you want to click on max. If we play out our geometry level, it will then show up like this. And so guys, if this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow Guide to Everything for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.